Hey, it's Valerie with T-Mobile, and today we're checking out new speakers from our partners at Bang & Olufsen, the Beosound Explore and the Beolit 20. These speakers feature powerful sound, durable materials, and impressive batteries. They're perfect to take along on all of your life's adventures. Best of all, they pair with your favorite smartphones and tablets that are running on T-Mobile's nationwide network. Let's unbox the Beosound Explore first. Inside, you'll find the Beosound Explore, Quick Start Guide, Carabiner, that's cool, and the USB-C charging cord. Do you love taking your portable speaker along with you as much as I do? I take mine everywhere. And sometimes my electronics end up in places they probably shouldn't be, like this pool. Life happens, no worries. The Beosound Explore has an IP67 rating. That's a relief. This speaker has incredible sound for being so compact. Weighing in at a little over a pound, it features a 360-degree sound, and you can even customize the sound equalizer with the B&O app. This speaker definitely delivers on that Bang & Olufsen trademark sound, even outdoors. Made with anodized aluminum, this speaker stays safe from corrosion, scratches, and can even take a fall just shy of 5 feet. The Beosound comes with a 2400 milliamp hour battery, which can get up to 27 hours of playtime. Yep, that's right. All right, let's unbox the Beolit 20 Bluetooth speaker next. Inside, you'll find the Beolit 20, Quick Start Guide, USB-C charging cord, and a charging plug adapter. The Beolit 20 has that great 360-degree sound, the ability to fine-tune your listening with the B&O app, putting you in control of how crisp and clear you want your music to get. Made out of that hard, durable, anodized aluminum and leather, the Beolit 20 has a beautiful contemporary design giving a great look to any room. Beauty and usability is something this speaker definitely has. The Beolit 20 has an innovative charging shelf. You can charge your Qi-compatible T-Mobile devices using its wireless Qi charging surface. Speaking of charging batteries, the Beolit 20 can last up to 8 hours with its 3200 milliamp hour battery, charges with a Type-C cable, and can connect to your favorite device via Bluetooth or even a 3.5mm jack. The new Beosound Explore and Beolit 20. Powerful, customizable sound, beautiful and durable, and great to take with you on all your life's adventures. And don't forget, they pair with your favorite devices that are running on T-Mobile's nationwide network. You can check out these awesome new Bang & Olufsen speakers at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click subscribe and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.